Do you plan to buy a yogurt maker? Are you looking for the best one for yourself? You might be feeling confused and overwhelmed by various brands and models on the market. Don't miss this video. We list the most popular and top-rated products on the market today, based on countless research and customer ratings. We also present the key features and benefits of each in the review, all aimed to provide you the selection of the best products and help you to make your decisions faster and easier. All the links about these products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. The affordable and likable Euro Cuisine GY60 doesn't disappoint on value, features, or performance. A Euro Cuisine Greek yogurt maker provides a quick and easy way to make your favorite treats. This unique kit has a stainless steel strainer that transforms up to 2 quarts of ordinary homemade or store-bought yogurt into thick, creamy Greek yogurt in a matter of hours, all inside your fridge. No spinning or cranking required. An included recipe book provides lots of delicious ideas for healthy dips and spreads, tzatziki, low-calorie salad topping or sweet berry desserts. You won't regret stocking your kitchen with this Greek yogurt maker. If you don't want to spend much and you don't need a super high-end yogurt maker, the MV Power V07F41 is a solid option. Its unique structure for equal heat transmission, maintaining the activation of lactobacillus. Storage box-type containers are made from the materials matching the standard of EU RoHS and FDA, ensuring 100% safe and sanitary. The microcomputer timer and clear LED display for more precise temperature control. Yogurt production is done automatically with the voice prompt, easier to use. A good yogurt maker doesn't have to break the bank, as the XWXOQ proves. If you love the creamy, satisfying texture of Greek yogurt, the Greek yogurt maker will be your new go-to kitchen tool. Get all of the probiotic benefits of Greek yogurt without the additives or the steep cost of store-bought brands. Just use any type of milk and a little bit of store-bought yogurt to get started. A comprehensive recipe guide is included along with a quick start dial for easy reference. You will also gain access to our rapidly growing database of recipes. Make custom flavors, healthy gourmet treats, and save money on store-bought Greek yogurt. The Euro Cuisine YM80 isn't exactly what we expected from a yogurt maker, but in many ways, it exceeded those expectations. Enjoy your favorite flavor, made fresh at home with this little fuss and preparation, Euro Cuisine YM80 yogurt maker. The entire process takes between 6 to 10 hours. The yogurt maker includes 7 6-ounce glass jars with lids so you can make a different flavor in each. The timer on the side marks the time when yogurt will be finished cooking. The unit has on/off switch and light indicating unit is working. We've had plenty of good experiences with Cuisinart, but the CYM100 in particular strike a fantastic balance of quality, performance, and value. This yogurt maker with automatic cooling turns milk and soy milk into nutritious yogurt automatically. Yogurt lovers can create an endless variety of flavors, and the 1 to 1/2 liter batch makes enough for days of delicious meals and snacks. The operation is simple. Once processing time has elapsed, the unit switches itself to a cooling mode. Simply mix together ingredients and pour into the yogurt container, letting the yogurt maker do the rest. You will love the ready-to-eat chilled results. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. All the links about these products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.